Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start the chapter, that is chapter number 14, statistics. And before also we have completed it first exercise. So in exercise 14.1 we have studied about data and types of data. So in question number 1, give 5 examples of data that you can collect from your day-to-day life. So in solution, 5 examples are as follows: number of students in our class, number of fans in our class, electricity bills of our house for last 2 years, election result obtained from television or newspaper, literacy rate figures obtained from educational survey. So all these are the examples of data. Then in question number 2, we have to classify the data in question number 1 above as primary or secondary. So in this case, first, second, third are the type of primary data. That is, primary data are when the information was collected by investigator herself or himself with a definite object in her or his mind. The data obtained is called primary data. So primary data are first, second and third, and secondary data when the information that gathered from the source which already had the information stored. That data obtained is called secondary data. So here in example 4th and 5th are the example of secondary data. Now today we are going to start exercise 14.2. So in this exercise we will study about group data or frequency distribution table. So in question number 1 we have given the blood group of 30 students of class 8th are recorded as follow. So we have given these blood group, that is A, B, O and AB. We have to make a frequency distribution table. So on making frequency distribution table, we can see that the A is of 9 time, that blood group A is 9 time, blood group B is here 6 time, blood group O is 12 time and blood group AB is 3 times. So total number of student is 30. So in this, by observing from this data, we can see that the information that total the most common blood group is the group with the high frequencies O. That means O has the highest number of frequency, that is 12, and lowest number of frequency will be 3, that means AB. So AB has the rarest blood group and most common blood group will be O. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question, that is question number 2. So in question number 2 we have the distance in kilometer of 40 engineer from their residence to their place of work were found as follow. So we have given this distance. So by using this distance we have to construct a frequency distribution table of class size 5. So here we can take the class size as 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and 30 to 35. We can make tally marks also. So by making its tally marks we can make its frequency distribution table. So here 0 to 5 are lies 5 times, 5 to 10 lies 11 times, 10 to 15 lies 11 times, 15 to 20 9 times, 20 to 25 1 time, 25 to 30 1 time and 30 to 35 2 times. So total number are 40. So in this way, in the given table the classes do not overlap. So also we find that the houses of 36 out of 40 engineer are below 20 kilometer of the distance. So 36 to 40 engineer are below 20 kilometer distance. Now after this, see question number 3. In question number 3 we have given the relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for a month of 30 days was followed. So we have given this information. This is the humidity in atmosphere, so it is relative humidity. Now here in first part we have to construct a frequency distribution table or group frequency distribution table with class 84 to 86, 86 to 88, etc. That means ranges 2, so difference is 2. So here relative humidity in percentage we can write here 84 to 86. Now frequency is 1, 86 to 88 frequency is 1, then 88 to 90 frequency is 2, then 90 to 92, frequency is 2. Then here frequency 92 to 94 7, 94 to 96 6, and 96 to 98 7, 98 to 104, and total number will be 30. So from this given distribution table we can say that the humidity is very high in the given data. Since the humidity is observed to be high during the rainy season, the data here must be about rainy season. So this information is about rainy season. And in third case we have to find range. So range means maximum value of data minus minimum value of data. So maximum value is 99.2 and minimum is 84.9. So 99.2 minus 84.9. So here answer will be equals to 14.3. So this 14.3 will be answer. Now after this, see next question. So in question number 4 we have given the height of 50 students measured to be nearest centimeter have been found to be as follow. So this is the height of 50 students nearest centimeters. In first case we have to represent it in group frequency distribution table by taking class interval 160 to 165 and 165 to 170. In second case we have to tell what can you conclude from their height from the table. So in first case we have given the data given in the question can be represented as group frequency distribution table. So here height in centimeter 150 to 155, total number of students 12, 155 to 160 9 student, 160 to 165 14 student, 165 to 170 10 student, 170 to 175 5 student. So total are 50. In second case, from this information we can say that it can be concluded from the given data and table that 35 students, that is more than 50% of the total student are shorter than 165 centimeter. So from this group frequency we can conclude this thing. Now after this, see next question. So in question number 6, 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of head occurring was noted down as follow. So 30 times a coin was tossed. So we can conclude the following number. So we have to prepare a frequency distribution table for the given data. Now in solution, first of all number of head and frequency. So we have to find for the number of head. So here number of head 0 time 6. So number of head 1 time 10. Number of head 2 time it is 9. Number of head 3 it will be 5. Frequency is 5. So it means total number will be 30. So in this case we have to make only this frequency distribution table. So in this way we can draw its frequency distribution table. Now after this, see next question. So in question number 8, 30 children were asked about the number of houses they watched TV program in previous week. The result were founded as follow. So this information gives the number of children watched TV in previous week. So result we have given. Now in first case, make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data taking class width 5 and 1 of the class interval as 5 to 10. How many children watch television for 15 or more hours a week? So this information we have to conclude from this given information. Now in solution, the group frequency distribution table for the data given in question taking class width 5 and 1 of the class interval as 5 to 10 is given below. So number of hours 0 to 5, frequency is 10, 5 to 10 frequency is 13, 10 to 15 frequency is 5, 15 to 20 frequency is 2, and total are 30. So from in second case we have to tell the number of children watched television for 15 or more week. So from the given table we can conclude that 2 children watch television for 15 or more hour. So number of children will be 2. So from this information we can say that 2 children are watching TV from 15 to 20 number of hours. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question. In question number 9 we have given a company manufactures car battery for a particular type. The life in year of 40 such batteries were recorded as follows. So we have given the information for 40 batteries or life of 40 batteries. So we have to prepare a frequency distribution table for this data using class interval of size 0.5 starting from class interval 2 to 2.5. So here group frequency distribution table for the data given in the table using class interval of size 0.5 starting from the class interval 2 to 2.5 is given below. So here life of battery in year and number of battery, here frequency. So 2 to 2.5 number of batteries 2, 2.5 to 3 number of batteries 6, 3 to 3.5 number of battery 14, 3.5 to 4 number of batteries 11, 4 to 4.5 number of battery 4, 4.5 to 5 number of batteries 3. So from this total number of batteries are 40. So in this we have to prepare this frequency distribution table. So in this way you can do this question. So on the basis of this question you can complete this exercise. So on next session we will start its next exercise, that is 14.3. So all of you, thank you for watching this video and all of you have a nice day.